How to change the author name in WordPress. Open your WordPress dashboard. Go to Users in the menu. I have created a test user. Select the user and change the status of user to author. Or you just can try another way. You can just edit the user. Scroll down. Change the role from drop-down menu. Update the user. Don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link in the description below, and if you like the video, smash the like button and see you in the next video. Thank you.